This is the first time we have gotten together as a community since before COVID, believe it or not. So it is great to be together at a whole school assembly. Also to celebrate something that's very, very important, which is reading.
I think I read over 100 on the first day because I was really into it.
When the March Madness Challenge happened, I saw this as an opportunity for my reading to get recognized.
If they really wanted to be participating in the activities, then it would have been a challenge, especially if they didn't like to read. It's more like a pushover, you're gonna have to read more if you really wanted to play.